Hello, friends! Are you ready to have fun with numbers today? Where did number 1 go? Oh no, all the numbers are gone. Maybe they're hiding. Let's go find them. Hey, look what's rolling in. It's our blue Play-Doh. Let's press it down nice and flat. Now let's use our number 1 cutter. Press, press, and peel away the extra dough.
Wow!
Look at that! Whoa! Look, it's our number 1. Let's match it on the card. 1 blue elephant. Can you say 1? 1. Next up, it's time for number 2. Let's make some art. I've got some bright yellow paint right here. Now let's dip our spongy number 2 into the paint. Dab, dab, dab. It's soaking up all the color. And stamp. We made the number 2. Look at that. Wow. Let's match it to the card. 1, 2 lions. Okay, friends. Now it's time for number 3. Look, we have a paper and a green marker. Let's draw number 3 together. Round and round. Bump, bump. And done. That's our number 3. Just like 2 little hills. Whoa! It turned into our real number 3. Let's match it to the card. 1, 2, 3 crocodiles. Let's find number 4. We have 2 puzzle pieces. One has the number, and the other has 4 little animals. Let's connect them. Click! They fit. Whoa! They turned into our real number 4. Just what we need. Let's match it to the card. 1, 2, 3, 4 cows.
Oh!
Look what I have now. Red paint and a brush. Let's paint the number 5. Swish, swoosh, curve around. Ta-da! A big, bright number 5. Whoa! Look at that. It turned into our real number 5. Let's match it to the card. Can we count the sheep together? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 fluffy sheep. Great painting and great counting. Let's go find number 6. Wow! Look what we have now. A magic writing board. Let's use it to draw number 6. A big loop and a curve, and we made number 6. Wow! It turned into our number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 silly monkeys. Look, these orange sticks just dropped down. Let's see what they do. Let's line them up. One goes down, and one stick goes across. Wow! It made the number 7. So cool! Let's match it to the card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dogs. Uh-oh! What just dropped? It's a green Play-Doh. Let's use our number 8 cutter and make something fun. Push, push, push it down and peel away the extra dough. Look, we have our number 8. So cool. Let's match it to our card. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 jumping frogs. Fantastic counting. Let's make number 9 with purple paint. Here's our spongy number 9 and some squishy purple paint. Let's dab, dab, dab and stamp it down. Ta-da! We made number 9! Whoa! It turned into our real number 9. That's magic! Let's match it to the card and count all the birds together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 chirpy birds. You did it! Let's go find our very last number, number 10. And look what I have. Blue paint and a brush. Let's paint the number 10 nice and big. A straight line for number 1 and a big round 0. That's number 10. Whoa! It turned into the real number 10. Let's match it to the card. Can you count the bees with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 buzzing bees. You did amazing, friends. Look at all the numbers we made today. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Yay! You counted all the way to 10. Amazing job! Thanks for learning and playing with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. See you next time, little stars. Bye-bye.